Hey everybody, Bill here, Restored Hot Rods. Well, more punch list on the 51. This door, let me get over here. This driver's door would drive me crazy. You close it and it wouldn't latch, you close it and it wouldn't latch. Well, so I've been adjusting the strike up and down, up and all over the place. Haven't been getting anywhere. It's like, what's going on? So I finally started thinking about it, and I'll show you. The problem, the problem was, if you can see that little spring right in there, it's white right now, it's kind of curved. That little spring kept the latch from latching. It's got a two-stage latch. It's got a safety and a catch. Well, it was hitting the safety and just jumping over, bouncing around. It wouldn't close. So I made a spring for it. It wasn't too tough when the old junk spring drawer. And now look what we got. Like a champ. So there's a win. Then I'm putting it all back together. Getting the armrests on. I've got, I didn't have window trim, interior window trim, when I first got it. But now I do. Unfortunately, that one's green. This is the original one. This is the driver's side. It was gray. And that one's green. So I'm going to scuff them up and get the rattle can, give them a coat of paint. That's next. Finally got some sun. It's been really gloomy the last couple of days. I went down and had another can of paint mixed so I can get this coated again real quick. So, because the batch isn't bad, but he made it. The next batch he made was a whole lot better. So I'm going to mask that off and shoot that real quick. I'm going back to the parts store. Gonna put a fuel pressure regulator on it because the fuel pump putting out a little bit too much pressure. When it sits for a while, I can smell it, floods out the carb. So, back to the parts store. Story of hot rodding. Now I got this motor used, and when I got the motor, it had this valve set up here, which is an on-off valve. I'm sorry, went that way to there. Now the previous owner, he pulled this out of his truck, 65 Chevy pickup, and he asked me, he says, "What is that?" It wasn't hooked up when he was running it, so I told, well, okay, it's a gas shutoff valve. It says for automotive use only. So it shuts off the flow of fuel. Now when I parked this, like in a parking lot, and I come out 15-20 minutes later, it smells like gas. So I think the fuel pump is putting out too much pressure. Actually, one time even had a little implosion underneath here where I saw the hood pop up a little bit. Oh, that's not good. Gotta do something about that right away. So I got one of these cheapo fuel regulators. So I'm going to put that in line here and see if that doesn't stop the problem. I've been out running it around, got nice and warm, came back home, sat here and watched it, and the little, what do you call them? Little booster legs, they are leaking a little bit of fuel. So pretty sure that's what the problem is. So I'm going to pull this off, put this on, and see if that doesn't help the problem. Let's get a screwdriver. Gotta help, right? Well, there's definitely pressure in there. It's been sitting for probably almost an hour. So we shall see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yuck. Icky. Oh wow. Gasoline just melts the Band-Aid. Nice. Hey, don't leave it alone. Don't chew on my Band-Aids. It's gross. Alright. I already lost it. There it is. Okay, that's going to go there like that. That should work out pretty slick. Get the right fitting on there. This should take care of it, I hope. Now this supposedly adjusts from 1 pound to 6 pounds. It's got little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going around it. I assume each one of those means 1 pound. If it's that accurate, I'll be really surprised. But one never knows. Did you hit it? Good girl. Okay, here we go. Dead stop. Not bad for a little 6-cylinder. Well, once that paint dries and we got a little sunnier day, I'm going to pull this inside, and I got a kit from Vice Grip Garage for shine juice. So I'm going to put a clear coat on this thing. That's kind of exciting. So that'll probably be the next video, hopefully. Once that paint dries, I scuff it up a little bit, make it look more like me. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.